Dear student, as I am discussing about the histogram, now another program based on the histogram. Okay, so this is a program where I have plotted the different variations of the student number. This variation I am changing now. Suppose I give here, suppose 65. Okay, so I give here 65. This number also I am changing. Suppose I make it 45. 45. Those are the changes I have made. Two changes I am making. And next, what I have made, those frequencies I have changed. Suppose here it this has become, suppose 75. Okay, this one I have made. Sorry, this one I have made. Suppose 65. Yeah, this one suppose 35. Okay, so from here also I am making the changes. This 20, I this 10 I am making a change. 10, suppose I have made it into a 15. 45, suppose I have made into a 50. Okay, 33 I have made into, suppose 43. Now 6, suppose I have made into 7, and this 8, suppose I have made into 9. Now each color is red, each color is green. Okay, now let us run this program. Sorry, let us run this program. As you will going to see that it will ask you to save the changes, what the changes has been made on it. So based on these changes you will see the graph. So this is what is your graph scenario. That means this is the graph that has been constructed based on these structures. So there are the breakup. This so I have want to show you. There are the breakup. See here, from 10 to 31 range is there, and after that one range they has made from 40 to 70. That means my highest range is what, 80 has been given, and there is what, 50, because my see here this highest range is 50. Okay, now here what I have given, that 75. So 70 then 5. So 75, that means they has made it 80. And here how many frequencies, different pattern of frequencies that I have made it is a 65. So this is how you can see it, that color. Now I have given the color. Previous two videos you have seen, they are a histogram. I didn't mention the color. So in this video I have mentioned the color. Color is what, red. That means those the histogram color will come, they will color come in a red color. Now each color has the different color that has been made in a green. So this is a green color, particular age has been derived from it. Calculation, as I have said you, calculation based on this thing, if you calculate in your copy x-axis, y-axis, and based on this particular frequencies how they are coming, you will going to obviously get this pattern of shapes. Okay, so this is the shapes that you will going to get based on this particular scenario or the data that has been implemented here. Now in this data you look it very minutely. Again I am saying it because as we are proceeding, then I going to start the next particular part of your new chapters, what has been introduced, or new part what has been introduced in your revised portion. So those the thing you should do minutely, and you should understand them minutely, how this particular histogram has been plotted. Now this range, what is the range? Range has been changed, 40 to 50. No, it is now has been changed. What is the range? No value for the range of 40 to 50. No value for the range of what, 30 to 40. Okay, so 30 to 40, that means from 30 to 40 no value is there. 30 to 40, no value is there. That means in this particular section there is no values. Okay, or 35 you can say, till 35 to 40 there is no values. So this is what your no value consideration case. Therefore two section has been drawn based on this particular equations what has been given for it. Okay, so this is how you have to think, and you have to calculate that how you can